Welcome to another Peach Betty baking video. This month we are making an upside down citrus cake. And this is just a recipe that I have adapted from an upside down pineapple cake. And it's really good. First we're going to start off by zesting our oranges. And that's going right into our cake batter. So I have our butter, sugar, and vanilla in here as well. We want to zest the whole orange because we want this cake to be nice and citrusy. This is when your kitchen is going to smell really good. She's looking pretty naked. Alright, so now that we have all of that, tap all that good stuff in there. Set that aside. We need to get our upside down part assembled first. So we have brown sugar in the bottom of a 9-inch cake pan. And then we also have butter. Let's go ahead and just cut this into smaller pieces. And we're going to dot around the pan. Now we're going to stick this into a 350-degree oven just until all that butter melts and the sugar starts to dissolve a little bit. It's going to get nice and bubbly. While that's melting, we're going to go ahead and get our oranges ready to put on top. So we are going to cut all of the rind from our oranges so it leaves just the yummy juicy flesh on the inside. So to do that, have a nice sharp serrated knife, cut off the bottom and the top so you can see the inside, and then you're going to go around and slowly cut off all of that pithy flesh. I do this so we don't have a lot of the white parts because that is really bitter. And I think it ruins the flavor of the cake. Try your best to not cut off too much of the inside. And I flip it over sometimes because it helps me get the rest. Now, if you want to save all of this, you could make some yummy candied orange peels. We're going to go ahead and cut these into less than ½ an inch thick, just to where they stay together, but not too thick to where they won't cook. Okay. Make sure that butter is all evenly distributed around. Go ahead and place our oranges on here. Remember that whatever you put on top here is what you'll see. So make sure it looks nice now. Now that that is ready to be topped with our cake, let's go ahead and make it. Like I said before, we have our butter, sugar, our zest, and our vanilla. And we're just going to cream these together until they are nice and fluffy. Mix, 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 mix. Now this is a cake I like to make if I'm going to someone's party and I just need something really fast to mix up. This doesn't take any time and it looks very impressive. Our butter looks really good, so let's go ahead and add our room temperature eggs. We're going to mix them in one at a time. And this is just so they're easier to incorporate. My bracelets make a lot of noise. There's one. And number 2. So now I actually am going to switch to my whisk. We're going to take all of our dry, which is our salt, all-purpose flour, and baking powder. Make sure it's broken up. Add half of that. Add your milk. And give it a little whisk until it's all combined. I like to use the whisk because I feel like it'll help remove any lumps that might be in there. We're not going to mix until smooth just yet because we have to add our second and final mixture of flour. And now you're going to whisk until you can't see any lumps. Switch hands. And that's it. Beautiful. tap off any excess. We'll scoot this over so we can fill it up. And go ahead and pour in. How easy was that? Scrape your bowl clean. Cover it all up. Now don't be alarmed if you see any of the butter pool up around the edges. That's going to make a nice chewy and tasty little edge there. Let's go ahead and pop it into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes and get ready to flip it. Our cake looks golden brown and ready to come out of the oven, so make sure you have a plate ready because we got to flip it. Mittens on, let's go. Check her out. Those edges look delicious. Wow. Those edges look so good. Okay, real quick, I want to make sure that it is loose around the edges so it will release. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Quick, 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 go, 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 go. It smells so yummy. Place this over here. Grab my plate. Time is fleeting. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, looking good. Ah. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay. Look at it. We're gonna take these off now. Okay. Look at her. So pretty. I even like having a little less of those so they look almost like little daisies floating in our cake here. Alright, well, you could let this cool, or I think it would be really good kind of hot out of the oven. It smells so good. You could dust it with a little powdered sugar around the edges to make it even prettier. Maybe I'll do that. Alright, I'll see you guys next month. Bye.